following my journey, you've seen me jump off buildings and planes and boats and cliffs and whatnot. But according to me, my biggest jump happened 2.5 years ago when I made the leap from the life that I was living then to the life that you see today. My name is Sharanya Iyer and I am a full-time travel content creator and solo travel enthusiast. I didn't just wake up one day and become this person. In fact, I had a whole different life before the life that you see today. I was a full-time corporate girl for 7 years. The issue was I had this burning passion to travel. I came to the realization that this wasn't just passion, this wasn't just a dream. It was all of that combined with a raging ambition to make something out of it, to make it a career. And you know, one of my biggest epiphanies happened about 8 months before I actually quit my job. I was on this solo high altitude trek in the Himalayas. Turns out that on the last day, we weren't able to summit because of a snowstorm. And I remember what a happy day it still turned out to be, because we played like these insane snow fights with strangers I know I'm never going to meet again. That kind of snapped something open in me, but I realized that this is what I'm doing in life. I am constantly working towards this summit, this kind of dream for, I don't know, 15-20 years later. Today I'm a brand manager. Okay, tomorrow am I going to be a vice president, and then am I going to be head of marketing? What are these labels? Do I really want them, or do I really want to focus on today and do what makes me happy today? I had made up my mind that I would quit my job by the end of that year. Now, I'm not one of those people who propagates the idea that you can just wake up one day and transform your life, and especially get into something as uncertain as the life of a freelancer. So those 8 months saw me saving up real hard, and I started realizing that there were some things that I could deprioritize to make this life of full-time travel happen. Like 5 nights in a hostel somewhere far, far away versus 2 drinks with my friends at a fancy restaurant. It became a no-brainer. And the second big challenge was obviously telling my parents, forget the world, do what you want to do, you know what's right. But honestly, it's a very lonely path without the buy-in of those who are closest to you. I sat down with my parents and had a very adult, open conversation with them. So, you know, this told them that I wasn't just doing this out of the blue or on a whim. I had planned this, I had done my research, and I knew that I could make something of this. And now I've been to about over 15 countries in these 2 years since I've quit my job. I know there are still challenges, but you know, the more you travel or the more you get into what you're doing, you do learn the hacks, you do learn to trust your intuition, your gut, and you learn how to navigate these things. So, raho ambitious. Combine your passion and your talent with an actual plan, and trust me, the world is waiting for you.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Upgrad.